This question is given in Signals and Systems in the year GATE 2007. Let's see this question. The Z transform x of z of the sequence x of n is given by x of z is equals to 0.5 by 1 minus 2 z inverse. It is given that the region of convergence of x of z includes unit circle. Then the value of x of 0 is asking whether it is minus 0.5, it is 0, 0.25 or 0.5. Okay, first take down the x of z value. X of z, it is given by 0.5 by 1 minus 2 z inverse. We know that z transform of x of n is equals to x of z, right? Now you take the x of z value and slightly do some modification. 0.5 by 1 minus 2 by z, we can write like this, right? Now you take the LCM and make this z to move to the numerator. It will be 0.5 z by z minus 2. If you look closely, it is in the form of z by z minus a, right? It is in the form of z by z minus a, where a is equals to 2. Okay, so we know that z transform of a power n u of n, this will be is equals to z by z minus a for ROC mod z greater than mod a. Okay, and another case, z transform of minus a power n u of minus n minus 1 is also equals to z by z minus a, where ROC mod z less than mod a. These are the two possibilities we have. Okay, so we have got z in the form of z by z minus a, but the thing is here we have got two possibilities, and for solving it belongs to which case. They have given another point that region of convergence of x of z includes the unit circle. So among these two, which includes the unit circle in the ROC, that will be the required answer. So let us check the case 1 and case 2 separately. Now this is the case 1. Okay, you take mod z greater than a, mod z greater than mod 2. Okay, mod z greater than 2. Now you draw the ROC for this. This is the z plane. Okay, this is the z plane. Now we are drawing the ROC. Let us assume this is 1, this is 2, 0. Okay, draw the circle with radius 2, and here the ROC is mod z greater than 2. So ROC will be like this. Okay, but they are saying that it is to include the unit circle, whereas with the radius 1 it is not at all including. Okay, here ROC should cover this unit circle radius, but in this case it is not possible. So this will be not the case required. Now try the other case, case 2, where mod z less than mod 2, which means mod z less than 2. Now draw the ROC for the same case. Okay, this is the z plane. Now draw the ROC with z less than 2. This will be 1, this will be 2. Okay, you draw the circle with radius 2. Now you draw the circle with radius 1. For the radius 2, this will be the ROC, right? Now it is covering the unit circle radius. So this will be the required z transform. Now you take this and substitute here, x of n we will get. So x of n, we got that x of n is equals to this one, minus a power n u of minus n minus 1, where mod z is less than mod a, right? Now substitute this, it will be 0.5 is already there, so minus 0.5 into 2 power n. Why? Because in place of a 2 is there, u of minus n minus 1. This will be the x of n. Now they are asking the required value x of 0. So substitute n is equals to 0 in the above equation. This will become x of 0 is equals to minus 0.5 into 2 power 0 u of minus 0 minus 1. This will be equal to minus 0.5 into 2 power 0 is nothing but 1 u of minus 1, and we know that u of minus 1 is equals to 0, right? So substitute this thing here. This will be 0.5 into 0, that will be 0. So x of 0 is equals to 0. That is what the required answer. You see in the options, option B is the correct answer. So how we have solved this? First taken whatever the given x of z, and we know that z transform of x of n equal to x of z, and we slightly done some adjustment such that it will be in the form of z by z minus a. And for this z by z minus a, there are two possibilities. First one is x of n is equals to a power n u of n. Another possibility is x of n is equal to minus a power n u of minus 1 minus 1. Depending on the ROC, that which is covering this unit circle, that will be the required x of n. So in both the cases, the first one goes wrong. Which one is mod z greater than 2 goes wrong, and mod z less than 2 is covering the unit circle. So we have taken minus n minus a power n u of minus n minus 1 and done some simplification. Finally substituted n is equals to 0, which is the required thing, x equals 0. Finally we have got the answer.